Hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel for this week's weekly safety recap. Before we get started, make sure that you give me a thumbs up down below here to encourage me to make more videos of this type. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel where you'll find additional videos of this nature, toolbox safety topic videos, and leadership training videos. Let's go ahead and get started with the recap. Now, of the jobs I visited this week, things looked good. I have really noticed the evolution of the concept of teamwork. I believe that the PTP really does encourage the team to have a safe mentality, encourages safety on the job, and productivity on the job. Now, one thing that really stood out was the care and maintenance of equipment. Even though we have a way to go to get things up to snuff and to maintain the good maintenance on the equipment, the reporting to uptime has improved considerably. The greasing of machines was certainly improved, and repairs to the ACs is ongoing, and the hope is to have them all working in the very near future. Let's continue the positive trend with equipment inspections and report any maintenance needs immediately. Now, briefly, are we listening? Do we listen and hear the concerns of team members? Or are we just waiting for them to finish venting so we can say, I'll see what I can do, and get on with the next objective without giving their concerns another thought? Perhaps our intentions to act on their concerns gets carried away by some other or perhaps more pressing concerns. Now, accidents around expressed concerns carry far heavier penalties. Don't ignore or disregard a team member's concerns. Don't offer any promises. Concerns may not seem important to anyone but the concerned, but the concern was enough to be spoken. Pay attention, give them the time, and listen to their concerns and act when possible. And our body language reveals our subconscious thoughts. Are you open to new ideas? When you listen to someone's ideas, are your arms crossed, revealing to the subconscious mind of the speaker that you're closed mind to their thoughts or ideas? Or are your arms open at your side while you make eye contact with the speaker? Just food for thought. Now, on with the recap. Just a couple things this week. Fuel dispensing. All fuel dispensing stations, including trucks with fuel cells, must be placarded with the DOT placard for the fuel in the tank and a no smoking placard. There must also be a minimum of a 20 BC fire extinguisher during any fueling operations. Also, oxidizers are to be stored at least 20 feet from the fuel. Now, respirable silica dust has been a real challenge for some of our guys. Understand and train team members to the hazards of respirable silica dust, how to recognize silica dust hazards, and how to mitigate silica dust hazards. Review and understand the OSHA silica standard and the Silica Table 1. Go to OSHA.gov or check your company EH&S manual or speak to your safety professional for information concerning respirable silica dust. Like I said, everything looks good. Continue to do the good work and always strive for improvement in your work and personal life. All right, boys and girls, that's it for this week's safety recap. Make sure you give me a thumbs up down below here to encourage me to make more videos of this type. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel where you'll find additional videos of this nature, toolbox safety topic videos, and leadership training videos. And until we see each other again, take care of yourself because you're number one. look out for your coworkers and help ensure their safety. Have a grateful day. And remember, I will see you in the field. Let's get this party started. Let's get this party started. Let's get this party started. All right, let's do this thing. Safety, 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 safety. All right, here we go. Ta-da! Not one cough or one sneeze. Boy, I'm doing pretty good tonight. Let's go review this thing and see if it's worth posting.